Okay, now let's top coat these bad boys and let's get them into the light and let's do this final reveal shot. Okie dokie. 60 seconds and we will have our final reveal of this amazing nail extension polygel kit from Markartt, and my Holygrail Rhinestone glue, also from Markartt. I absolutely love this set. It has really been enjoyable doing these nails. And with that being said, I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you have learnt something today. If you did, please leave a comment down below. If there's anything or any kit you would like to see me try or review, see if it's beginner friendly, let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's put some cuticle oil on these bad boys and we are done. Oh, that is divine. Thank you for watching my channel, guys. Spirit fingers.